Alright guys, back at you with some machinery, heavy machinery from Matchbox. What I don't get is, there's a dozer in here, but it's got a fire truck. Groundbreaker, action ready construction, highly detailed. Well, let's see. I let you guys be the judge of what's highly detailed. Okay. So, it's a dozer. Does this move? Yes, it does. Very cool. Got some good detail. Front end's nice. That's hard plastic. Got a little hole there, trailer. The things, the grip, whatever they're called, they don't turn. How high does this thing go? Don't want to rip it apart. Got little wheels right there. That's cool. Let's give it a once over on this thing. Groundbreaker by Matchbox. Very, very, very nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You never know what I'm going to put on this turntable next. And you can put on your requests. I try to mix it up all the time.